Hello everyone. For the past two videos, we saw about a food processing and an FMCG company. For a change, today we are going to see about a finance and investment company, Motilal Oswal. This stock have raised 40 to 50% in the past 3 months, but still this stock is undervalued. Let's see what Motilal Oswal got in it. History of Motilal Oswal. Motilal Oswal Services Limited was founded in 1987 as a small sub-broking unit with just two people. Now the company has 7,900 plus employees headquartered in Mumbai. Network. As of March 2021, the company had a network spread over 550 cities and towns comprising 2,500 plus business locations operated by their business partners and the company with a huge customer base of 29 lakh plus. Their products and services: private wealth management, retail broking and distribution, institutional broking, asset management, investment banking, private equity, commodity broking, currency broking, and home finance business. Also, their research reports are famous, which covers analysis on economy, sector-wise analysis, thematic analysis, and they also provide expert opinions on different stocks. Besides a wide range of products and services, they also have apps which are helpful in wealth management, trading, and research related activities. They also launched a smartwatch app, which is the recent product of Motilal Oswal. Key points to notice about Motilal. Company has a 3% market share in capital market. It improved 80 basis points year on year to 3.1% and a stable market share of 1.9% in mutual funds equity asset under management. Let's know more about the asset under management under each business. DP assets, which accounts to 46,700 crore. What is DP assets? DP means depository participant. Motilal acts as an agent of depository. To be precise, they act as an intermediary between the depository and the investors. Next is broking. Under broking, they have 11,100 crore, and asset management, they have 38,600 crore. Wealth management, they have 20,000 crore. Private equity and real estate, they have 6,500 crore asset under management. Increasing client base. In broking and distribution business, client acquisition up by 198% year on year in the first half of financial year 2021. In wealth management, client level engagement is at an all-time high with the number of clients reached 4,653, a 25% upward year on year. In housing finance, asset quality have improved significantly with gross NPAs at 1.8% and net non-performing assets at 1.36%. Also, the company has a strong capital adequacy ratio of 47.6% with Tier 1 at 46%. Diversified client base. They have customers in almost all financial segments. Retail customers including high net worth individuals, mutual funds, foreign institutional investors, financial institutions, and corporate clients. Research. Almost 10% of the revenue is invested in equity research. At present, Motilal has 25 plus research analysts researching over 250 companies across 20 sectors. From a fundamental, technical, and derivative research perspective, Motilal Oswal's research reports have a wide coverage in media as well. Awards and recognitions. Companies' consistent effort towards equity research have reflected in an increase in rating and ranking across various categories in the Asia Money Brokers poll over the years. Company has also been awarded the best performing equity broker at the CNBC TV18 Financial Advisor Awards for continuous 5 years in a row and got inducted in Hall of Fame at the 10th Financial Advisory Award 2019. Next, we will see about their revenue contribution from each business. Capital market contributes 48% to their total revenue, and asset and wealth management contributes 30%, and housing finance business contributes 22% to the total revenue. Current strengths of Motilal. Company have an established position and demonstrated track record in capital related businesses. Next is gradual diversification in revenue profile supported by scaling up of fee-based businesses, which means the broking business with healthy capitalization profile in hand. Steady performance of core business and improved performance of housing business is helping the company to maintain a very good revenue year on year. Next is challenges ahead in their business. They are exposed to volatility inherited in capital market, and only gradual diversification of business profile is comforting the company. Intense competition in capital market and broking segment like Zerodha, 5paisa and more companies are in competition in their broking segment. Next, we will see about their ratios and financials. Company have a market cap of 12,878 crore and a debt of 5,693 crore and reserve of 4,418 crore. Current market price is 876 rupees per share and their book value is 302 per share. Price to equity ratio stands at 9.78 and industrial PE is at 25. Compounded profit growth for 5 years is 51%. Return on equity for 5 years is 20%. Stock price for 5 years is increased 18% and compounded sales growth for 5 years is 27%. With this, the video ends. Next video will be on an undervalued banking stock. To have more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and stay connected with my channel. I am happy to hear any suggestions from you. Thank you for watching.